Hello, gang! It's another Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. You should follow me in all those places. Duh! Anyway, once more, out of the beauty vault. It's the Birchbox. July 2018. You know, the month I had pneumonia and wasn't doing anything. Yeah, it's the Birchbox. So anyway, we got a little handy dandy card for how to hack your summer. Avoid makeup meltdowns, take a staycation, feel the sunburn, how to, soothe the sunburn. Maintain bedtime. The days are longer, but sleep is just as important. Oh, yeah, sleep's how to calm frizz. Oh, and stay above the water intake while drinking your fruity cocktails. That's how to hack your summer. Yeah, all these little tips. Woohoo! And all these little fun products. Let's get into them. So, hey, before we even get started in this video, look over my shoulder. We have a spy. Yes. What you doing? You want to be in the video? Apparently you do. Laying on the laundry. I should be folding. Actually, it's just a comforter and a jacket sitting there. I should be, and the beauty binder, which has all these products for like years. Anyway, it's the Birchbox. It's July 2018. Anyway, we have the Amika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. It's supposed to hydrate hair and calm frizz. Oh, you're supposed to work it through damp strands. Guess what? I just happen to have some damp strands here. Whoop. Give it a little tussle there. That's right, little tussle. We'll see when it dries how it looks. Velveteen Dream. Then we have, if I can find it, I dropped it. The Aero Revive Cooling Cheek Tint. It's an oil-free tinted gel blush that melts into your skin for a natural looking flush. Apply to the apples of your cheek and then blend. However, it's got one of these little foil things. Okay, my dentist will probably lose his shit, or at least my orthodontist who did all my work. So if you're watching this, I got a little trash back there. Don't yell at me. So, okay, so we're gonna little dab. Whoop. Okay, it's got like a little red. I hope it doesn't go on that dark. Okay, if I end up looking like a clown, then we know that this is kind of dark. Oh wow, it looks like I'm bleeding. I'm not bleeding. It's just cheek tint. Okay. So we're gonna apply to the apples. Oh great, now I look like a clown. And get it up there. Little flush. Oh, I look sun-kissed. Okay. There we go. Oh, a little color to my face now. There we go. What do we think? There we go. Okay, that's the Aero Cooling. My cheeks don't feel cool though. Love Sun Body Natural Origin Mineral Sunscreen. It's 30 SPF. Hey, guess what? It's starting to get sunny here in Chicago. It's still not cracking 50 degrees, but hey, you should always think about sunscreen year round. So I'm excited for this. Hopefully it's not expired because, oops, kind of forgot about this box. Then we have MakeupDrop Silicone Applicator. I'm really not a fan of these. For some reason, I just don't like them. You apply it in, like, you put your foundation on and then I just don't like them. So, not a big fan, but I know somebody that might be, so they're going to get a present. Ooh, let me see if I can toss it in. I have a box going for this person. So, oh, I missed. Darn. Okay, then we got Vasanti makeup magnet wipes. Okay, so it's my micellar water infused face wipes to remove makeup. I love these for travel because then you can just use them to remove your eye makeup in addition to all your makeup. Then you clean. Then I flip it over and use the other side to double cleanse. So that's my little travel hack to go with these summer hacks that were from last summer. Follow me. Until next time. Watch out for your spies and stay beautiful.